Triple heater 5 is located on the back of your arm, 2 thumbs width below the wrist. At the back of your left hand, locate the end of your arm bones. That is the bumps at the end of the forearm bones, the radius and the ulnar. Now find the center spot between them. Next, move up the arm the width of 2 thumbs. Press into the space between the radius and the ulnar bones and find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is triple heater 5. Activate triple heater 5 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate triple heater 5 on your right hand.